Hello and welcome to Azure in 5 Minutes. Today we're going to discuss the Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Solution Accelerator. My name is Michael Copps and I am a Partner Technology Strategist with the US SMB&D Group. So, what is a solution accelerator? Basically, these are step-by-step documents that walk you through core Microsoft technologies. So far, we've done 3. The first one was hybrid cloud, which instructs us how to set up a site-to-site VPN into our Azure Virtual Network. Then we released the Identity Management Solution Accelerator that talks about Azure Active Directory and hooking that up, synchronizing that with on-premises Active Directory. And now today we're discussing the Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Solution Accelerator, or BCDR. So let's take a close look at the Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Solution Accelerator. To get to this page, you need to go to azure.msts2.com. That takes you to the library for all the Azure in 5 Minute videos, and you can click on the links to the BCDR Solution Accelerator. I'm going to go ahead and click download here, and that will actually take me to the files that comprise the BCDR Solution Accelerator. You'll see there are 9 different documents. First step is to open up the Getting Started Guide. Basically, this will give you a short overview of all the different components of the Solution Accelerator. And I'll just give you a quick overview of them all right now. Basically, the second document is a solution brief. That's like a 2-pager, just so you can send it around your organization to get internal buy-in on the Solution Accelerator project. And then we have the customer presentation, which is a PowerPoint of some key concepts of the Solution Accelerator. We have a project plan template that will actually, once we go through the accelerator, decide, hey, this is something we could sell to our customers. It gives us ideas on scoping out the project and the different steps involved for the different BCDR scenarios. We have a questionnaire that we can take to our customers to qualify their backup and disaster recovery needs. We have a standard workload scenario guide. These are our how-to guides. There's 3 of them, and this is the real meat of the Solution Accelerator. You'll start with the number 7, which is the standard workload scenario guide, and basically that's step-by-step guidance to setting up key workloads like Azure Site Recovery. Right? Azure Site Recovery is our VM replication service, basically coming from Hyper-V. So if you have a Hyper-V running VMs on premises, you use ASR to replicate those VMs up into Azure for DR. This document also covers using third-party tools to back up to Azure Blob Storage. So if I scroll down here, you'll see the different scenarios covered in the contents. So like I mentioned, Azure Site Recovery on-premises Azure, that's Hyper-V without VMM, Virtual Machine Manager, and that is replicating up into Azure Site Recovery. That's the key scenario we see in SMB. There is also step-by-step on if you are using Virtual Machine Manager as part of System Center. And then scenario 3 you'll see is guidance on Azure Backup. That's setting up Azure Backup, step-by-step guidance for that. And then scenario 4, you'll see third-party backup to Azure Blob Storage. This is if you currently have backup tools that you use. Perhaps there's a cloud connector built into the backup tool, as oftentimes there is, and then you can back up directly to Azure Blob Storage. So make sure you just go through this document, assign a technical resource. Typically, these documents take 4 to 8 hours to go through and complete. And then you'll have a good idea of if, hey, ASR, backup, or backing up to blob storage is something you want to focus on as an organization and provide those type of services for your customers. Remember, Azure in 5 minutes, All of the recordings are available at azure.msts2.com. Thank you.